This one is for the children.
Jimmy Cliff and Beanie Man.
Children are such great fun. How could anyone hurt them? They are so innocent. How could you take that away from them? They are blessed by the Most High. They shouldn't be abused and accused. They are not responsible for the things they do. So child abusers, stop and think what you're doing. If you are abusing a child, you shouldn't abuse another child. Give them a chance to grow like flowers in the garden. Stop hurting them, stop raping them, stop using them, stop selling them, stop cursing them, stop beating them, stop killing them, stop hurting them, stop raping them. Oh, stop using the children.
Oh, nothing, no. Show more love to the youths. Show more respect to the youths. Oh, no, show more love to the youths. Oh, no, show respect to the youths. Cause youths of today are tomorrow people. Them fly your plane, them fix your vehicle. Parents who know fi lead by example. Oh, no, know say every baby a sample. Oh, no, teach them love and no evil. Parents not coming like flower with rebel. Nobody teach them about Cain and Abel. Teach them how to educate people. Teach them how to unite people. We are one people, so don't beat them, don't rape them, don't sell them, don't kill them. So don't beat them, and don't rape them, and don't sell them, and don't hang them.
Stop hurting them, stop raping them, stop using them, stop selling them, stop cursing them, stop beating them, stop killing them, stop hurting them, stop raping them. Oh, stop using the children. Children of today are the leaders of tomorrow. Give them love today, they will love you tomorrow. Don't use them, don't hurt them, don't sell them, don't curse them, don't slave them, don't beat them, don't kill them. Oh, that's the children.
Show more love to the youths. Show more respect to the youths. Oh no, for show more love to the youths. Oh no, for show respect to the youths, yeah. Show more love to the youths, yeah. Show respect to the youths, yeah. Make the youths them grow and break fruit. Show love to the youths.
Stop hurting them, stop raping them.